Hello, welcome to Homeschooling with Heart. My name is Stef. Thank you so very much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. If you are new to this channel, thank you. Thank you for giving this channel a chance. I appreciate that as well. All right, so today I am just hopping on here real quick to let you know that we have not started back to school yet. Let me know down at the bottom if you have started back to school, or if you have recently started back to school, or when you did start. We have had a crazy couple of weeks. Actually, from December 26th to January 12th, it has been messy, beautiful, crazy, chaotic, brilliant. It's been a lot of different things in a short amount of time. The reason that it has been chaotic for my family is y'all know that I have stage 3 heart failure and respiratory failure and a few other things. So I have been battling not only that, but I've been battling something else for a couple of years now. We have had, along with everyone else, a difficult couple of years, 2020 and 2021. And just because 2022 came along doesn't mean that the baggage didn't come with me, into 2022. The one thing that did come with me is a renewed sense of hope. And I love that feeling in the new year. I love that feeling of kind of a rebirth, right? Refreshed hope. At least that's how I feel about a new year. I know that I better be in love with the goals that I set, or I won't accomplish them. That's just who I am. I have to be in love with what I want to accomplish, or it's not going to get done. That's just the way it is. And so I set things that I can achieve, and I set them throughout the year instead of, okay, by the end of the year, I'm going to have this done, because I tend to procrastinate because I work better under pressure. And so I'm one of those that I can wait till the last minute and get everything done, and it looks like I've been working on it forever. Don't tell anybody that, though. I can't say by the end of the year this is going to happen. I have to make monthly or every other month kind of plans. The plans that I have for Remington and our homeschool, I want to experience more with him this year. That is the only thing that I have right now for my goal in 2022. And I am going to accomplish that. I am. To have a fresh start with Remington, because he has an achievement. And you saw that at the beginning of our video. We achieved learning language arts through literature. The Blue Book, we achieved that, and I could not be more proud of him. I want to start planting memories with him. Homeschool is more than just the book work, right? It's about the life lessons. It's about the values that we're teaching. It's about my faith that I'm teaching. It's about the experiences that we have. We went on vacation in October. Like I said in my October update, We couldn't afford it, but we did anyway because I wanted Remington to have that experience. He wanted to go to the ocean, so we went to the Gulf, right? And that was amazing. It was wonderful. I didn't realize how much we needed to get away, to have a break. Because when you become complacent in what you're doing, you forget how much more there is. And I don't want to forget how much more there is. That is my goal for 2022 with my grandson, is to experience more. And as far as everything else, I will go into with you at another time. I will tell you this. My husband and Remington are also going to start making videos, and we will be putting life skills that my husband teaches Remington. We will be putting those out as well, and I'm excited about that. I mean, y'all think I'm nutty as a fruitcake? Wait till you meet him. I'm the sane one. So there are a lot of things that I have planned for this channel. I'm excited about the new year for this channel. There's just some things that I need to wrap up with my health and with, other things that are going on. But we officially start school. 16th. We officially start the 16th. We've been, kind of easing into it this week, the week of the 10th. But, like I said, things have just been crazy and things have to settle down. I do not want to teach in the chaos. I do not want to do that. I'm not going back to school. I want to have a fresh start with Remington. There are things that are on the horizon for this channel. There are things that are on the horizon that I can see, and I have a vision for our homeschool. And I have a chapter that is being written. I don't know yet how this chapter ends, but I will know soon. So, with that, I am going to say thank you. Thank you for being a part of this channel. And if you will do me a favor and hit that like button, that lets YouTube land know that somebody out there likes our content, and they show our content videos to others who may like our content. That is the only way our videos get shown, is if you push that like button. We would love to have you on this journey with us. All you have to do is hit that red subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing, and you're on this journey with us. If you don't have an account, set up a Gmail account, come back, hit the subscribe button, and we would love to have you on this journey with us. And I am just excited. Happy New Year to you. I am hoping for the best, praying for the best, and my prayers are with you, as they always are. And until we meet again, be good to each other.